So it's another beautiful morning here in Cartagena. I don't know if you can see it out here, but it's a really nice morning. So we're getting ready to actually go and do scuba diving this morning. Now I know yesterday, I think when I cut it off, I had to fill out the paperwork and stuff. I'll go over that in a little bit more. We're trying to get ready because we need to be at the boat by 7. But I'll go ahead and make sure I'll go into detail a little bit about more of what happened, all right? So listen, we're at the dock where we're gonna be actually going scuba diving. So we got some friends over here. They're from where are y'all from again? Ricardo from
Medellin.
Medellin, okay. And
Anna from Medellin.
Anna from Medellin. Yeah, he's going to Medellin tomorrow. See, yeah. Look like this is them right here. They ready here, they're on time, we ready to go.
Okay. Be careful. You're stuck here. You
Have,
fall from the roof. Okay?
See.
We have here.
Okay, all right, this is up. They're good, they're really, really nice. So this is for YouTube. Yeah, see, have time. So yeah. Really, really nice. Been very accommodating, even when we had trouble. So yeah, let me kind of go over that. So real quick, definitely read the email all the way through, so you kind of do things a little sooner than later. I was able to get everything done yesterday, but I guess they need you to get all the paperwork done online, and you have to do it online. You have to do like this course. This is like 15 minutes, but they needed you to get it done so you can actually get the insurance to be able to go out. So just remember to go through everything thoroughly.
El equipo que nos acompaña hoy es Santiago, Lourdes, Esmeralda y mi nombre es Salvador.
About to shove off here. So these life jackets are definitely, they definitely snug. We not going nowhere if I fall out trying to get this life jacket on. But it's all good. It definitely ain't getting opened up, I can tell you that. You got a big one? No, that's it. That's big dude problems, you know what I'm saying? I think we made it to the spot. Everybody's suited and booted getting ready. I think this is like the first spot. It's gonna be maybe like 2 different spots. So I think this is gonna be the first 2. But yeah, let's do this. Out the water, so you jump out. You got your fins on. I got this handy safety ruler. But you throw it in the water, and then you put it out. Okay, great. Awesome. All right, so we're all set. We're good. We just got suited up. So I did my 3 skills test yesterday in the pool. My homeboy's gonna do his right now. But yeah, oh, really quick thing. So they gave me the filters on here. They gave me a housing. I didn't even think about it. The GoPro can do only certain meters. So definitely get the housing. Even if you're just, I'm glad I had this place. Is wonderful. The lady let me use her housing. She let me use her housing, and I really appreciated it. So I wouldn't even have these shots and experiences if it wasn't for that. So yeah, shout out to them. So look, we just finished up. We just wrapped up. I gotta say, great experience, plethora of knowledge. So you also after this first time, because it's 2 days, they're gonna feed you a snack as well, some fruit. But she has about 20-something years of experience. This gentleman here has like another 20-something years. I'm pretty sure you probably got 100 years worth of experience on this boat. That's going to give you a quality and safe experience. And just even walking around, just walking, swimming around, I felt safe the whole time. It took some minutes to get comfortable, but you know, as anything, you hadn't done in a long time. I'm sure that's the case. But once we got comfortable, we was cruising along. But this is a nice pit stop. And what you think? You want to tell? Would you tell people what you thought about it? Would you mind? If you don't, I won't put it in there. It was alright.
Cool, man. I just needed to take some time to get used to that regulator.
Right. That's the thing.
I'm used to the snorkel.
Yeah. You was doing that at the island too.
The snorkel and then the regulator is different. So I had to get used to it, man. But it was fun, man.
Those boats that we saw were down there for like between 17, 20 years or so. This apple tastes amazing. It's like it just came off the tree. It tastes like back in the day when you was a kid. You grab them off the tree. Apples don't taste like this in America. Where'd you go? Oh God. This apple is sweet. My bad. So what's the name? What's the name of the company again? The name?
Abusos de Baru.
Abusos in Cartagena.
In Cartagena.
Yes, the best as far as I experienced, and just beautiful places to see, like right here. Look at that, look at this. So we're just gonna have a snack and then we'll go to another place, go another dive. So you definitely get some time in, okay? Oh man, thank you. Excellent instruction. Oh, all right. Well, now we're all done. That was the last dive. A lot of coral. I think I finally got the hang of it. The buoyancy, you have to sink to let your air out. Let the air out. exhale so you can go down, and you inhale and go up. But that was a really, really cool experience. I'm gonna make sure I put all the information on everything. They even on the language school. So there's a lot of options here. Definitely gonna let you guys know. So, man, whew, I'm hungry now. All right, we're on our way back. I hope you hear me. But they gave us the chips and stuff. This is the sweet. It's like it's a sweet made out of guava, right? I had all in my mouth, damn. But it's really good. It gives after you had a salt water all in your mouth, something about having that the taste of something sweet. So balance it all out. So it's really good. They definitely take care of you. All the way through. You'll see it in the video. So you already saw it. Like just even all the way through. Great experience. 10 out of 10. Definitely believe that I did it today. Out of all the things you could do. There's more things to see, more things to do. For sure. So now it's time to get something to eat. Real food.
All right.
Oh yeah, great.
Thank you, my friend.
Hey, it's a pleasure.
Good luck to you, man, on your travels,
Yes,
man.
thank you.
For
Thank you
sure.
very much.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Las suben hoy las fotos, ¿no?
Thank you.
Well, this is like diving all the time, but
different areas?
we have salsa. I'm not the owner. I'm just working for them. But I have the salsa school.
Okay. Well, yeah, I'm gonna send you a message on.
Ciao, thank you.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We send a message on WhatsApp.
But does this go to any other spot like Pablo?
Oh yeah, we go to Rosario Island or to San Medina. There are different diving areas, but it depends. Like it's mainly when we have more certified divers. For example, for San Medina, it's a little bit more wavy, so more current. So that's why we need more experience.
Right.
But yeah, like we go to Rosario Islands. Normally we go to Baru. If you want to go to Rosario Islands, you need to ask for a private experience.
Okay.
Maybe other people are also interested and they join.
Okay.
But it's like special.
Got it. Got it. Okay. Gracias. Oh, thank you so much. No, thank you. I'm gonna send you a message on WhatsApp.
Okay.
All right. All right. Bye. Ciao. But anyway, yo, that was it. Diving in Cartagena. I gotta decide what I'm gonna do as far as the name of that video. But I don't think I've seen any other videos of people out here scuba diving in Cartagena. So you got a first. So listen, please, if you enjoyed this information for this one, comment, subscribe, and yeah, it's your man's Big Will. We out.
A few moments later.
We were looking for the baños. Can't find those. This water is really in my ear. Oh, hold on, I see him. I think I see him. Yeah, we found him. We found him. All right, let's do this. Another PSA. Like a lot of countries, which I'm not surprised, they charge you to use the restroom. So, but in this case, you don't. They don't necessarily charge you to use the restroom, but I'll show you. They charge you to actually get toilet paper. So just be in mind that when you're here, have a couple coins, because if the turtle's out the shell, I'm just saying, you might not make it. you might not make it waiting on somebody to bring you back some change. So this nice guy, he brings some change back, and hopefully soon. And hola. And You know, I'm gonna throw him a little tip. Here he comes. That's what I'm talking about. Awesome, my nigga. Gracias, gracias. Gracias. Muchas gracias. No, for you. Gracias, gracias. Okay. Let's go get some toilet paper. All right, man. We're gonna try this again. Round 2. Oh, no pun intended.